In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange layers on Wix using the Layers panel. This is a fundamental tool if you're looking to manage your design elements efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned web designer, organizing your layers properly can greatly enhance your workflow and ensure that your site looks exactly how you envision it. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First things first, let's make sure you're in the right place. You'll want to open up your Wix website editor. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account and access the site you want to edit. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the main editor interface of your chosen site. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout here. You'll notice that the editor is filled with a multitude of tools, each offering different functionalities to help you refine your website design. Next up, we need to access the Layers panel. To do this, navigate your cursor over to the menu at the top of the screen and click on Tools. It's located in the upper toolbar, handy, as this is where Wix stashes a lot of its site management capabilities. This step is crucial because it reveals a drop-down menu with various options that give you control over different aspects of your site's design. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Layers. Clicking on this will open the Layers panel on the left side of your screen. The Layers panel is essentially a list of all the elements present on the current page of your site, stacked in the exact order they're layered on the canvas. This tool is incredibly valuable because it allows you to see everything compiled neatly in one place, making it easier to identify which layer might be blocking another or needs repositioning. With your Layers panel open, you can now start arranging your layers. It's as simple as clicking and dragging. Click on any layer within this panel and hold down, then drag it up or down to adjust its position. This will change its display order on your site. Remember, the hierarchy you set here directly affects what your audience sees first, second, and so on. For instance, a text box layered above an image will appear on top, while a background should rightly reside at the bottommost layer. As you move the layers around, keep an eye on your design. Adjusting layers can significantly impact the visual order and aesthetics of your site. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes unexpected decisions lead to unique designs. However, always make sure that functionality and user experience remain priorities. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to arrange layers using the Wix Layers panel. With these tips, you're now well equipped to create precisely layered designs that are both visually appealing and functionally sound. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to refine your website setup. Happy designing!